Imagine standing at the heart of two of Earth's most magnificent ecosystems. First, the Amazon rainforest, sprawling with lush greenery and a symphony of exotic sounds. Home to over 3 million species, every inch is alive, from the towering trees to the colorful birds and elusive jaguars. Now consider the African savanna. Vast and open, this sweeping landscape is where majestic elephants roam, and prides of lions hunt under the golden sun. Its biodiversity includes some of the planet's most iconic wildlife. So, would you rather explore the dense, humid mysteries of the Amazon? Or journey through the open, wild expanse of the savanna? Whether it's the rainforest's mysterious allure or the savanna's raw beauty, each offers an unforgettable adventure teeming with life.